When you're growing a 0 to 1 product, your goals are pretty clear. Reach product market fit as quickly as you can. But once your product graduates to the 1 to N stage, the goal often becomes a little less obvious. Once you've attained product market fit, where do you go from there? A good starting point comes from Gibson Biddle, the former chief product officer at Netflix. Biddle says that 1 to N product roadmaps should focus on 3 key areas: delighting customers, creating hard-to-copy advantages, and enhancing profit margins. The first and last of these is pretty straightforward, but finding hard-to-copy advantages is trickier. Biddle lays out 8 types of hard-to-copy advantages that 1 to N products can try to cultivate. These include a strong brand, network effects, economies of scale, counter-positioning, unique technology, switching costs, knowledge of processes, and captured resources. Let's step through each of these using the example of Amazon, which is a company that's done a great job with all 8 of them. The first hard-to-copy advantage is brand, and this is one that's pretty simple to understand. Amazon is regularly rated as one of the world's most loved brands, at least for consumers, thanks to its excellent selection, prices, and convenience. Brands take a long time and a lot of sustained effort to build, so they're very hard to copy. To give you a sense of just how potent an asset Amazon's brand is, it's usually valued in the hundreds of billions of dollars. The second hard-to-copy advantage is network effects, where a platform or ecosystem gets more and more valuable as more people join. Amazon is so huge that it's the first place many people go if they have something to sell or something to buy, and this creates a positive feedback loop. The more buyers that are browsing Amazon, the more sellers that want to join the platform, and this increases the number of products for sale on Amazon, which in turn attracts more buyers, and this will start the cycle all over again. As you can see, this helps Amazon get stronger and stronger, and it becomes even harder for anyone else to catch up. The third hard-to-copy advantage is economies of scale. Thanks to Amazon's massive size, it can negotiate volume discount on things like packaging, computing power, and warehousing space. Amazon is so big that it's been able to set up its own fleet of delivery trucks and planes, which gives Amazon much better prices than contracting out delivering to companies like FedEx or UPS. The fourth hard-to-copy advantage is counter-positioning. It's an unusual term with a simple definition. Whenever Amazon offers something that its competitors can't, that's counter-positioning, and it's literally a hard-to-copy advantage. When Amazon Prime first added free 2-day shipping, for instance, competitors like Walmart struggled to keep up. They eventually added a similar perk, but it cost them a lot of money in the process. Nowadays, each time Amazon speeds up its Prime delivery offerings to 1-day or 2-hour delivery, that's another hurdle that competitors have to jump over. Many of them just simply can't. The fifth hard-to-copy advantage is unique technology. Amazon is really good at this. With each piece of cutting-edge retail technology it invents, it digs a deeper moat around its business. The most famous of these inventions are probably the Amazon Go stores, where there are no cashiers. You simply check out by walking out the store. These stores weren't easy to create. They were only made possible by Amazon's incredible amount of skill and data in fields like machine learning and computer vision, and they just keep getting better and better. The more Amazon customers that use these stores, the more proprietary data Amazon gets to build the next generation of cutting-edge tech. One of those impressive inventions is how Amazon One now lets you pay with just your handprint. Check out this introduction to the new technology.
Introducing Amazon One, a free service that lets you use your palm to quickly pay for things, gain access, earn rewards, and more. Let's say you're grabbing your favorite coffee beverage, or heading into the office, or checking out. Just hover your palm and you're on your way. It's as easy as that.
The sixth hard-to-copy advantage is switching costs. If you're paying for Amazon Prime subscription and the free shipping that comes with it, it's hard to justify shopping anywhere else, since you'll feel like you're throwing away your money. When you combine this with the fact that Amazon Prime is absolutely huge with over 200 million subscribers around the world, you'll see how hard it is for competing e-commerce companies to get customers to join their subscription services, or even get people to visit their websites in the first place. In fact, even Google has had trouble keeping up with Amazon's magnetic pull over its customers. Over half of all product searches in the US now start on Amazon. And when your searching starts on Amazon, it's probably going to end on Amazon. So basically, becoming the default place to shop online, Amazon has made customers almost unwilling to switch. The seventh hard to copy advantage is knowledge of processes. Amazon is a logistics powerhouse with unparalleled knowledge of warehouse management, shipping, order fulfillment, supply chain management, and more. This makes Amazon able to operate at a scale that most other companies wouldn't know how to, and it helps them find opportunities to cut costs and increase shipping speed. Outside of logistics, Amazon has also cracked the art of creating an in-house brand with the Amazon Basics line. And in tech, they're experts at a wide range of technologies, from video production to advertising to cloud computing. That makes it easy for Amazon to enter pretty much any new market it wants to. And the final hard-to-copy advantage is captured resources, which involves intellectual property or employees. And Amazon has a ton of both. It has over 10,000 patents spanning digital payment infrastructure, delivery logistics, and warehouse automation. And with over 1 million employees, that's more than the population of some small countries. The sheer amount of human capital and energy and knowledge that's at Amazon's command is very hard to replicate. So Amazon does a great job at building hard-to-copy advantages. But remember that this is just one of Gibson Biddle's 3 suggestions for one-to-end products. When you're looking to design new features for a one-to-end product, your overarching goal should be to hit as many of the trio as possible: delight, hard-to-copy advantages, and margin enhancement. Gibson had a clever way of implementing this strategy at Netflix. He'd give each feature idea 1 point for each category it hit. Features with 0 or 1 points were marked red, features with 2 points were yellow, and features with all 3 were green. When prioritizing features to work on, he'd go down the list and simply pick out the green features to build first. It's a simple but powerful way to guide your product strategy, so give it a try for the products you work on.